Hello to all. Welcome to the channel. I am Priyanksha and today we are going to talk about cyber crimes. So let's get started. First of all, what is cybercrime or computer crime and who are responsible for the attacks? Let's start with the definition. Direct involvement of the computers to commit the crime are basically the cyber crimes or computer crimes. Most often we come across the skilled professionals being the attacker to gain monetary benefits or to penetrate in our data website to break, destroy, alter or steal the files. Before going deep to the cybercrimes, we need to know what we are securing. We are securing our confidentiality, integrity and availability of any data, which comes in danger in case of any sort of breach. Now let us talk about the classification of computer crimes on the basis of their targets. At first, we'll talk about the physical crimes, in which the physical computer and related peripheral devices are in danger. Then comes data-related crimes, which includes data diddling, leakage, spying, or scavenging. Then comes software-related crimes, which we will study in the later videos. Apart from it, we come across the cases of cyber harassment, and these are few types of cyber harassment cases based on their modus operandi or mode of operation. This is a general forensic term which will be used frequently. So, the types of cyber harassment are bullying, teasing, stalking, defamation, identity theft, catfishing, doxing, swatting, trolling, and revenge porn. So let's start with cyberbullying. It is an act of sending, posting, or sharing negative, harmful, false, or defaming content regarding others. The main motive is to gain popularity and influence within dominant social circle. Sometimes bullies is to take revenge or to isolate their victim. The main targets are school kids, teenagers, women, colleagues, etc. Next is cyber teasing. It is an attitude, mindset, a pattern of behavior or actions that are construed as an insult or an act of humiliation to the target. The targets are basically teenage girls and women. The motive behind this is to gain sexual attention or out of revenge. Then comes cyber stalking, which I have described in my previous video. So, this is basically using information and communication technology to stalk, control, manipulate, or habitually threaten a minor. The motive could be jealousy, obsession, attraction, erotomania, sexual harassment, revenge, or hatred. The targets are school kids, teenagers, women, etc. Then comes cyber defamation. It is an act of publishing defamatory content using electronic devices over the internet. So, the motive is to defame any individual to take revenge or political motivation could be the reason. The general targets are individual, organization, public or political figure. Next is identity theft. It is an act of using someone else's persona to commit fraud. The motive is very much clear. Either it is for financial gain or to harass any individual. The main targets are individuals, organization, any public or political figure. I hope you are noticing the means used in the crime is changing with every type of this harassment cases. Next is catfishing. It is a type of deceptive activity where a person creates a fake identity on the social network account, usually targeting a specific victim for abuse, deception, fraud, and various other gains. Motive can be divided into two parts. Either they seek money or revenge, or due to low self-esteem, they are building any fictitious online persona to interact with people. Next is doxing. It is the process of retrieving, hacking, and publishing other people's information over the internet. Revenge, threat, and financial gains are the main motives, and the targets are individual, organization, any public or political figure. Next is swatting. These are the harassment techniques used by the members of online gaming community, in which the gamer makes a hoax call wherein they dial authority and give them some false information, diverting the police and emergency services response team to another person's address. Motive is just to harass, extort or take revenge. General targets are teens, kids or online gamers. Then comes cybertrolling. It is a deliberate act of making any random or controversial comment on various internet forums with the intent to provoke any emotional response from the readers to engage them in fight or argument. The main motive is to make feel others disgrace, take revenge, ideological differences, religious discontentment, or gender bias. The targets are mostly from specific communities. Then comes revenge porn. We all know about it. It is a distribution of sexually illicit images or videos of individual to bring disgrace or damage to their reputation. The motive is to humiliate or intimidate, to take revenge or to blackmail anyone. Main targets are young women. So these are the general problem which we have addressed under the topic of cyber harassment. So what are the preventive measures? Let us see. First of all, we have to establish secure computer center. Limited access should be given. Ensure backup. Change access code and user ID frequently. Maintain logs. Manage staffs and rotate their job periodically. Apart from it, if we come across any incident, we have a list of steps how to manage with it. That's all for now. In the coming videos, we'll talk about financial frauds, related cases, and if you come across with any sort of cybercrime, how to deal with it and what are the laws related. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment your views on the comment section. Till then, stay updated.